So Astrid, what do you think about Chloe being there? Yeah? What should she do then? Really? Are you that unhappy? I'm sorry. She feels like she has to lay too. I know there's lots of space, but she loves you. Will you forgive her? Astrid, are you going to forgive her? Oh, oh, I know. The mirror is watching. There's no privacy anymore, is there? Well, if you're not careful, Neo's going to join in too. Would you be okay if Neo joined you? I can't even finish that, huh? Oh, the peanut gallery is all here. I don't know if it'd be wise for you to go in. Even if you have to lay, you might want the other box. Astrid might snap. Mm-hmm. It is a bit much, baby. Good. You happy, Astrid? I convinced Mare not to join you? Should I get the camera out of your face, Astrid? She's not talking anymore.